Hi, welcome back to the channel. Whenever you draw a portrait, you might notice that it takes a lot of time to colors and get the values right. So today, I'm going to show you how to color your drawings with few simple steps. You can use any digital art app you have, and for this video, I'm using IbisPaint. I have my sketch here, and I'm going to color it using these darker gray values. You can use any brush for this. I'll be using pen fade and few other brushes. I will first color my sketch using these gray colors, and I will focus on refining the contrast between the values to make the drawing look more clear in this grayscale method. I'm done with my rough drawing, and now let's move on to the next step. As you can see, I have colored my drawing completely using those two colors, and this is also a great way to practice coloring. Now we are ready to choose any color we want and color freely because we have already refined the contrast and the values with gray colors. For this, you can use any brush you like when it comes to coloring. Make sure to color on the new layer mod we created. This is really fun to do, and it automatically reveals the rendering we did at the early stage, and we don't have to worry too much about choosing the colors. You can always reduce the opacity of the color layer, change filter settings, and adjust the colors the way you want. And this is how I change the color tones. You can make several more layers like this for hair, eyes, and other parts of your drawing. So it's easy to change their colors individually without affecting other parts of the face. Coloring the hair is one of my favorite things to do in this art. You can use the filters to change the color tones to your liking, and this way, you can get the exact color you want, and the colors will not look muddy or pale. And that's how you can easily color your drawings. Next, I will show you an interesting trick. You can change your brush settings into color mod. This way you don't really have to use a layer to color. use normal coloring most of the time, but I thought I will share this method with you all, since some of you might find this useful, especially if you have a difficulty in recognizing colors or choosing them.